Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to list your house for rent on Zillow. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to sign up or log in into Zillow. So go to the Zillow website and create an account if you don't already have one. If you have an existing account, log in you log in using your credentials. The next step is to navigate to the rentals section. So once you are logged in, log in and click on the rent tab or for rent section on the Zillow homepage. This will take you to the rental listings page. The following step is to create a listing. So click on the list your rental or post your listing button. Provide the necessary details about your house, such as its location, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, rental price, and any additional features or amenities. Include high quality photos to attract potential tenants. The next step is to review and publish your listing. So double check all the information you have provided and make any necessary edits. Preview your listing to ensure it looks appealing and accurate. So when you are satisfied, click the publish or post button to make your rental listing go live on Zillow. The last step is to manage and update your listing. So regularly check your Zillow account for inquiries and messages from potential renters. Respond promptly and provide additional information as needed. Consider updating your listing periodically without any changes in availability, price, or other relevant details. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.